are going. There's no knowing where we're going, or which way the river's flowing. Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is a hurricane a-blowing? Not a speck of light showing, so the danger must be growing. Are the fires of hell a-glowing? Is the grisly reaper mowing? Yes! The danger must be growing, for the roars keep on rolling, and they're certainly not showing any signs that they are slowing.
You gotta push it in, so you're gonna have to pick it up a little bit.
Hold your breath.
Come on in.
Wait a minute. Crash that. Reverse. Charlie, don't forget what happened to the man who suddenly got everything he always wanted.
What happened?
He lived happily ever after.
If you are greedy, you will go far. You will live in happiness too, like the Oompa, Oompa, Loompa, Loompa-dee-doo.
Adieu, adieu, parting is such sweet sorrow.